He's pressured by young Lajoie on defense. Max Lajoie, and now Folk. For Aho, cross ice, Teravainen. Folk again with a bomb. He scores! Justin Folk, a $1.12 in. Young rookie we cataloged in the open, Colin White. Centering pass denied by Trevor Van Riemsdyk. Moved along by Mark Borowiecki. Tkachuk out of the corner. In front for White. What a save! Mrazek on the spot. A slashing call. To the outside, near boards. Mark Stone picked off. Right up the gut. Breakaway chance. Brock McGinn in alone. Shut down, but then he scores! It trickles through. Marcus Högberg.
Power play goal already. Anticipation from McGinn, and then what explosion for separation. Ottawa plays Minnesota yesterday. McGinn clearly had energy way on his side. Then against the big goal.
He'll swing it back for Ottawa. He's supported by Tkachuk. He stays with it near corner. Through the slot, Tkachuk in front. All the way back. Ryan shot denied. Mrazek, a dandy on Bobby Ryan.
Could have been a hard breakout. They made look seamless.
Aho for Teravainen. Off the stick of Stone, cleaned up by Jaros, off the goal post from the far side. A great chance that time, flung in by Sebastian Aho. In back of goaltender Högberg, and out to center. Partial breakaway to Dzingel, he'll cut. Shoot one, stopped by Mrazek, and pawed down by Justin Folk. Wolanin side of the goal in front, they score! Matt Duchene gets a beautiful pass from Bobby Ryan. Slavin plays it deep out of the reach of Svechnikov. Wolanin tries again, he was run into. Floored by Ferland along the boards. Turning off a hit is Rask. Cross ice for Slavin. Here it comes. He scores! Jacob Slavin with a rocket. Quality shift by the Hurricanes.
You could feel across the board every white jersey recognizing the importance of these shifts. Wolanin took a big hit on Ottawa's goal. There he turns the puck over because the hit comes.
Through center, Colin White. To the outside for Brady Tkachuk. He'll go deep. Centering pass. Van Riemsdyk defending on Tkachuk. He's got it off the far post with a backhander. Brady Tkachuk. Left in back of the goal. Fogel's on it. He can't clear. He fanned on a dump. Dzingel cross ice. Tierney reestablishes through the slot. Dzingel scores! Ryan Dzingel. It's a power play goal. Matt Duchene will cut, button hook, spinorama, goes off Mrazek as Duchene was working Van Riemsdyk, and it comes out through center ice in the Ottawa zone. Aho, Hamilton in the slot, and they score! Dougie Hamilton, back to back to back.
And now it's time to jump. Over back checking from Ceci and company on the Ottawa side of things. What a feed. Feel from Aho, knowing the over back check has occurred. So find the trailer, and then Dougie using Ceci as a screen.
Duchene rolls it out 2-on-1. Dzingel lost his edge. Good break for the Hurricanes. Teravainen comes back. Bobby Ryan jumps on it. Lajoie tipped right on, and Justin Folk. Goal-saving play as it leaked through Mrazek. Now crossing the line. Tierney, Balzers right in. He scores! First goal in the National Hockey League for the former San Jose prospect.
Mrazek, one he'd like to have back. You change lanes, you create confusion. And there, Dougie Hamilton and Trevor Van Riemsdyk are really victimized by bringing the puck to the middle of the ice. Tierney makes the critical play.
He led his American Hockey League team in goal scoring last season. He was leading Belleville in goal scoring, and they tie it! Jean-Gabriel Pageau, his first game of the season. Brand new story. Carolina on the transition. Along the near boards, threaded in by Brock McGinn. Danilo moved along by Wolanin. The back of the goal, centering pass. There's McGinn, shut down. Great save by Nielsen. His best. In the ring, it's Aho one more time. Converging with Smith. Falk, Teuvo Teravainen. Right in, a shot. They score! Great presence out in front by Justin Williams.
Right. Give Carolina the lead once again.
Through center. Greg McKegg off to Milo. Here's a chance for Williams right in. What a save! My goodness, what a stop by Anders Nielsen. They get a line. Aho wins it back, near corner. 3 seconds on the clock. The Canes have won 4 in a row.